Hi, welcome back to my channel. You know, I still need to find some sort of like intro to do. Howdy. No. Hey y'all. Hi, let's just stick with hi for now. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Ipsy Glambag unboxing, bagging, something like that. This is just the regular Ipsy, and I think it's $12 a month. I think. So let's go ahead and jump in because this is going to be a short video. Okay, I already have one thing that is outside of the box. It is a powder brush, it says. It is from the brand The Beauty Crop. And oh, it has a pineapple on it. I love pineapples because one of my favorite shows ever, that was like there were hidden pineapples throughout the show. If you know what the show is and you're watching this video, leave a comment below and let me know what that show is. Yeah. So that's the reason why I like pineapples so much. So this is the powder brush. It's very cute. It's multicolored. I think I said it's from the Beauty Crop. A F203 powder brush. I'm not for sure how I'm going to use this. Maybe contour or something like that. So, okay. It's cute though. Here is the bag this month. It's soft like the Ipsy Glambag Ultimate because the plus one was leathery. So this is what it looks like this month. Okay, here is the card. I'll look at that later. The first thing in here, we have a hand cream. I imagine that my Ipsy Glambag Ultimate unboxing will be before this one, like be up and loaded before this one. And you'll know there, after watching that video, that I got 3 different types of hand products, body cream products, lotion products in that bag. And now I have another one. They must think that I am dry and scaly because I need a whole bunch of lotions. Well, my hands are dry, so let's go ahead and try this out. It is from Merci Handy. And it says hand cream. Let me take my rings off. I kind of had like a nostalgic moment there, but I cannot place what that smell is. Like, at first it kind of stinks. And then it smells like motor oil. I don't know if that's right, but something out in my garage. The lawnmower. That's it. It's after I've cut the grass, I put the lawnmower in the garage. That's the smell. That's what it is. And I don't know if that's a good thing. Does it say the scent on here? We roam the sky looking for the softest clouds. Added a drop of magical sweet almond oil and a dash of enchanted shea butter. Bottled it up in a tube and ended up with this whipped hand cream, lighter than a unicumulonimbus. I mean, I like almond oil, like almond smells. This one's weird. Okay, let's go ahead and get the next thing in here, and it is from It. It is Your Skin But Better Primer, Oil-Free, Makeup Gripping Base, plus Pore Refiner and Hydrator, plus All-Day Grip Technology. There it is right there. Don't quote me on this, but I think it's kind of like a much silkier, lighter weight silicone type one. I don't know if it's actually like silicone because I'm not good at. It's like the Sol de Janeiro. That Sol de Janeiro Porblum, something like that. It's like that, but it's a little waterier than that. So, okay. Next in here we have from The Balm, Pedal to the Metal, Va Vroom, Cream Eyeshadows. Maybe Pedal to the Shift into Overdrive? Maybe that's the shade? Not for sure. Oh, it's in Turbo, excuse me. There it is right there. It looks weird. Maybe because it's been cold out. But maybe because it's a cream shadow and it's cold. It's been cold outside. And then now it looks like this. Let's go ahead and swatch it, see what it looks like. It's very pretty. There's definitely some glitter in it. I don't know if that'll pick up on camera, but it looks like there's some glitter in it. I don't think I've used anything with glitter. Okay, and the last thing in here is from Colored Rain. Colored Rain. Colored Rain. Whoops. Okay, and this is a matte lip paint in 24/7 maybe? Oh yeah, 24/7. Oh, the packaging's cute. There it is right there. Go ahead and give it a swatch. Oh, that is a lot darker than I thought it would be. There it is right there. Maybe, oh, maybe that's fine. Just darker than I thought it would be. Ah. Okay. We'll see how much that dries down while I look at the card because I got a card with stuff on it. So, let's see here. The Beauty Crop Pineapple Powder Brush is valued at $13. It says this is a deluxe sample. The value of the full-size version of this product is $17. I can't imagine this not being the full size though. Like how much more liquid lipstick could you get? It says that this is full size and it is $7. That's kind of expensive. And then the Balm Pedal to the Metal into Shift into Overdrive and Turbo. The value of the full size version of this product, I assume with more shades, like an actual palette, is $29.50. And the It Cosmetics primer with a full size is $39. What size is this? So this is 5 milliliters. So 30 milliliters is $39. So what is that? Like 6 of these? 6 of these would be $39. Sunscreen. Smells like sunscreen. I just got a picture of my head of different scenarios where I wear sunscreen. And it popped in my head because it smells like a fancy sunscreen. So if you like sunscreen smells with hand lotion, it's for you. Or hand cream, it's for you. Okay, so that is my Ipsy Glambag for the month of February. I really like the bag. It's soft. I mean, I like this bag. It's good. It's okay. I'm just a little about getting so many hand creams this month. So, yeah. But I am planning on doing a try-on of all the Ipsy things. I think I've mentioned that in my Glambag Plus. So many words. In my Glambag Plus, so that should be coming whenever I find time to actually record it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the rest of your day. And still looking for an intro and things to say whenever it's time to end the video. But I tell you, it's not going to be howdy or anything like that. Or howdy or hi, y'all. No, not going to be that. Be hey, hi. So we'll see. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe, okay? Do it. Do you hear my dog? She wants you to subscribe to my channel. You're upsetting her. Make her happy and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, okay? It made me so happy. Okay? You got it? Good?